Activities of the Globe Group in conditions of COVID-19. Celebration of the World Water Day. Third grade high school students led a one-line discussion on this year's theme of World Water Day, Water and Climate Change, which refers to the consideration and solution of global problems of the global water crisis, which is inextricably linked to climate change. Any delay in adapting to climate change is as dangerous as denying the existence of a climate crisis. We are witnessing extreme weather conditions that make water even more inaccessible and polluted. The integration and coordination of different sectors must not depend on national borders. The most important thing is to enable safe and sustainable water management. The crown of that discussion was the painting of the student Maria Lalovic. Earth Day 2020 and the 25th anniversary of Globe were marked by students under unusual school circumstances, with distance learning. Students created images in various digital tools on the topic of climate change, and the 25th anniversary of Globe. For the first time around the world, both anniversaries were marked online, so the paintings are small works of art by our students. You can also report disposed waste. Students have registered and reported 40 locations in the Labin region. Congratulations, Globe at Nighters. We have surpassed 20,000 measurements this year. Keep up the good work. Let's shoot for 25,000 by the end of the year. Cities to be commended for the highest number of measurements so far are Labin, Croatia, Tokyo, Japan, Seattle, Washington, USA and Montevideo. Many thanks. World Environment Day. The students had the task to watch a video of their choice on Earth School and to write a message related to environmental protection based on it. Celebrating Environmental Day raises environmental awareness and seeks to highlight major environmental issues and enable us to understand our own role and responsibility. Messages: ride a bike, walk, reduce consumption of meat and dairy products, use canvas bags and recycle waste. In this way, you will protect the environment, but also your own health. Determination of plant types as indicators of soil acidity. Field research work. The students had the task: choose a location on uncultivated soil, determine GPS coordinates, count plant individuals, determine the dominant species, take a soil sample and determine its pH value. Compare the obtained results with the literary ones. Rare and endangered plant species in Istria. The task was to create an image for a selected rare or endangered plant species in Istria in a digital tool, which will contain: what level of legal protection can plants have in Croatia? What is the most common cause of plant species endangerment? What should be done to protect them? Photo competition. Delnice High School, in cooperation with the National Library and Reading Room Delnice, announced a photo competition on the following topics: environmental pollution, clean air, how to initiate positive changes in environmental protection. High school students participated in the competition. Student Mihail Petrovic competed on the topic, environmental pollution, with the photo, smoke signal. Student Lucia Miletic on the topic, clean air, with the photo, leaf in flight. The works are copyrighted and have not been previously awarded. For the end, the current situation with the COVID-19 disease pandemic should also prompt us to reconsider our relationship to nature and the environment. About 2/3 of new diseases in the human population are zoonoses. Intrusion into the natural habitats of wild animals and an uncritical attitude towards one's own ambitions lead humanity into a risky position. Loss and degradation of natural habitats, especially forest ecosystems, loss of natural hosts, increased human contact with wildlife and their uncontrolled use, are the reason for the increased risk of pathogens passing from wild animals to humans. The goal of our activities is to point out the strength and power of the individual and the local community in solving environmental problems. It is necessary to become an active stakeholder in sustainable and balanced development and take responsibility for preserving the planet, knowing that the role of local communities is key to understanding the importance of environmental issues and achieving a safer and more prosperous future for all.